Hey guys, we're going to be filming another video, and today, we're going to be showing how to spawn enemies and how to make them like triggered. So get out your makeup pen, go to props. Well, no, go to circuits, and you're going to just go to type, get spawner, V1, make sure it's V1. You're gonna place it down, and you're gonna get, trigger volume V1. Wait, I have to give you, hold on. Okay, I have some problems, but it still won't work. I put this. Okay, so when you have the spawner V1, you're gonna get the trigger volume V1. You're gonna make that big, and then set it on the ground. Turning it. Setting it right here. So, and then, if you should, there's gonna be a red arrow, a green arrow, and a blue arrow. You're gonna go back in your makeup pen tools, hit connect. If you want to do when entering, the red is entering the zone, it spawns. So if you want to do that, you could, or the blues when exiting it. So today we're just gonna do the red one. When you connect that, you're gonna go here, go to your makeup pen, go to palettes, and then, well, no, you're gonna go to selection, hit the V1, and then switch the options, go to config, and then set object, and whatever one which one you're gonna do. So you can pick whatever you want. You can pick anyone. So I'm gonna pick a goblin. And then once you have the goblin and the arrow's connected, oh yeah, the arrow connects to this red one. There's a red one right there. And then when you got the goblin, I have a cannon goblin. You can have any person. Hold on. And that's kind of it, but we still need to do some stuff. Go to tools, go to selection, select the trigger V1. Go to config, trigger once. And then you're gonna go to selection, go to the spawner V1. Then you're gonna go to config. If you want like 4 goblins, just there's a minus and a plus and 1, but the 1 means 1. So I'm gonna do 5. So once I did that, is it here? No. So once you did that, you could go to it, and as you can see, it's working. There you go. And since you can't spawn them back, well, you can, just you have to save the room and then come back. I'd rather you do this. Go to shapes, cubes. You can do it anywhere, so I'm gonna just do it right here. I'm not gonna save it, but yeah. You can do it like this. Make a little, you can do it any color you want. It's like when you do that, you can go to props. You can grab any weapon you want. See, I'm gonna get the blunderbuster. You can make this bigger, and then once you do that, you can save the room, get the goblins. See, I'm not gonna save it, but you are going to. Okay, that's the end of the video. See you in the next